Let's talk efficiency, the heart of the EV advantage. Gas engines are marvels of engineering but shockingly inefficient. Only about 20–30% of gasoline's energy moves the car, the rest is wasted as heat. For every $5 at the pump, $4 just heats the air. Electric motors? They convert 85–95% of battery energy into motion. That's a massive leap. Less energy wasted means less pollution, even if the grid isn't perfect. EVs don't need complex cooling systems or lose energy to friction in pistons and gears. Regenerative braking is another win. Instead of wasting energy as heat when you slow down, EVs recapture it and feed it back into the battery. In city driving, this can recover up to 20% of lost energy. This efficiency gap is why EVs outperform gas cars on emissions, even on a fossil fuel-heavy grid. Burning fuel to create heat, then motion, is roundabout and wasteful. Using electricity to create motion is direct and efficient. Engineers have squeezed all they can from gas engines, but electric motors start from a place of massive superiority. The comparison isn't even close. One system wastes most of its energy, the other uses most of it. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a fundamental shift. The efficiency of electric motors is a physics-based advantage gas cars can't overcome. That's why, even as the grid evolves, EVs stay ahead. The core hardware is simply better for the planet. Efficiency isn't just a number, it's the foundation of the EV revolution, and it's why the road ahead is electric.